Last time, when we launched workshop registration, more than 350 people have registered. Over the past 2 months, we have successfully completed the workshop for all of them. Now, we are launching new registration for next 9 batches, and the link can be found in the description. Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead. First, let us look at what happened last week. Last week was a pure consolidation week. After a huge volatile markets for more than 3 months, last week market consolidated very well. In fact, India weeks fell from 30 to 25. I'm checking the NSE website. Last week the low was 10,657 and the high is 10,844. I'm checking the Nifty future. So the low to high in 1 week, it's only 200 points. Whereas few weeks before, every day it used to make move of more than 200 points. So it's a very good consolidation. And as I discussed earlier, Nifty is facing a stiff resistance between 10,800 and 10,900. Earlier in the monthly forecast also, I said 200-day moving average is there between 10,800 and 10,900, and that is going to be a huge resistance. And if that resistance is taken out, I will not be surprised if the market touches 11,200 within next few weeks. Reliance Industries ahead of its AGM on Wednesday is looking very, very bullish. The market leader HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, all looking very bullish, and that is why we are testing the upper end of the range few times already. So keenly watching 10,850 level to cross. And if that is crossed, the markets move higher. I will not be surprised Nifty goes to 11,200. So therefore, my range, my expectation, my prediction for next week range is 10,400 to 11,200. And the uptrend will be confirmed if Nifty future crosses 10,850. For one or the other reason, if the market's correcting, then 10,400 is going to be a very good support. What are the important events? Next week, locally, we are going to have consumer price inflation data on Monday and Tuesday wholesale price inflation data. But at this point of time, they are not very relevant. They tend to be higher because of Corona, the vegetable prices and other prices are bound to be higher. Internationally, a very important data to watch on Thursday morning, the China will be declaring its GDP data as well as industrial production data. So that will have impact on other markets. Coming to corporate results. Next week, there are 3 important companies that will be declaring the results: Wipro, Infosys and HCL Technology. And out of all these, the most important result is Infosys, which will be coming out on Tuesday afternoon. So the results will be declared after the market hours on Tuesday. So the impact will be seen in the market only on Wednesday. So right now the market setup looks bullish and waiting for the breakout. If the breakout happens, we can expect 11,200. And for one or the other reason, if market corrects, because nowadays you don't know what news will be coming about coronavirus and this and that, 11,400 will be the support. And because the TCS result has not been good, the people's expectation about Infosys result will also be not very, very high, and therefore there is a possibility of a positive surprise than the possibility of a negative surprise in Infosys results. I will be coming out with a strategy for Infosys results on Monday or Tuesday. Thank you for watching Dalal Street Week Ahead. Thank you.